Hi, I'm Will from Daloopa. In this video, we'll cover how to use Daloopa's Inspector tool. The Inspector tool allows an analyst to aggregate financials or simply bundle multiple items in the same cell. Our technology can understand the cell logic, retrofit it, and update the cell in the very same pattern with Daloopa's Inspector tool. Let's take a look. I'm going to use a quick example here. If you look at the number in this cell, it is a sum of two other numbers. What Daloopa does for you is retrofit, inspect, and create what we call a rolled-up number. This is something we do in our backend. Inspecting means that we're going line item by line item and making sure the time series are accurate and auditable. In this sense, I can create that rolled-up number and update that very same pattern. I'm just going to show you what a rolled-up number looks like and how you can also update it in future cells. In this case, I'm aggregating this 1356 and this 1805. Now I'm just loading the engine here for the roll-up number, and I'm going to be able to search for those line items. This is the 1356 that Daloopa will take me to. And then I will need to select the 1805. I have both my concepts up here, and now my logic will be A plus B when I go to retrofit it. What you will see often in your models once updated is that we have a dark green cell, which means a roll-up number. When you audit this number, you can right-click and open this hyperlink. If you have your hyperlinks disabled, you will see a customized link leading to both concepts there. So now if you want to update this, you can simply run the same normal updating process. In this case, I'm just updating the cell V4. Or you can select a range of cells by selecting them, right-clicking, and hitting Update. Daloopa will understand my hyperlinks and will update the cell or cells accordingly. So in this case, now you will see another dark green cell with those numbers and the same logic being applied to the next period. Make sure to view our other video resources at daloopa.com/videos. To learn more or talk to a team member, go to daloopa.com/demo.